Hi guys, welcome back to the Python series. In today's lecture, we have to see the what is the Python data types or data types in Python. So, in programming language, data types is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. Python has the following data types built in by default. There are the so many categories. Let's write the whole categories into in the comments section. Okay, see here text type is a string. We already know that string looks like an text type, and int, float, complex numbers looks like a numeric types. List, tuple, range is looks like an sequence types, and dictionary looks like an mapping type. Set, frozen set is looks like an set types. Bool is a boolean type, and bytes, byte array, and memory view are under the binary types. Okay, so very soon we have to see what is list, tuple, range, dictionary, frozen set, bool, bytes, byte array, memory view, everything. Okay, so we already know that if we get any type of an data, we have a function type. Okay, print type of x, so it returns the value x5 is an integer, so it produces an output is a int, class int. Okay, see the output. See, class int is the output. We wrote an examples for every data type in the above categories. See, x equals to hello rows. So this is a string data type. Am I right? And x equals to 20. X equals to 20.5. So this is a int data type, and this is a float data type, and x equals to 1j. So this is a complex data type. Here j means imaginary number. So x equals to apple, cherry. So this is called as a list. The list declaration must be starts with an open square bracket and closing square bracket. So this is called as a list. Okay, so the values can be separated with an delimiter, comma. Okay, so x equals to set. We have to declare set here. The set can be declared by using the open small bracket and closing small bracket. Apple, cherry. See, this is called as list. This is called as a this is list. This is set. X equals to range of 6. So this data type is called as a range data type. Here we got an output 0 to 5, not 6, 0 to 5. Okay, x equals to name and Harish. Age 21. Okay, so this type of declaration is called as dictionary. See, here the name is a key and Harish is the value, and age is a key and 21 is the value. So the key value pair is called as a dictionary. Okay, so x equals to frozen set. apple, banana, cherry. Okay, so what is meant by frozen set? So actually frozen set is just an immutable version of Python set object. Here this is a set object, this is a mutable, set is a mutable object. Okay, list is a immutable object. So this is also a set, simply we can say it as a set, but it is a immutable version. That's why we can call it as a frozen set. Okay, and x equals to true. Oh sorry, x equals to true. So this is called as a boolean. We can simply type as a bool or boolean type. Okay, we have only two types in boolean. We have only two types. First one is true, next one is false. Okay, and x equals to b. Hello. So this is called as a bytes. See, here we have binary types, bytes. Okay, and x equals to byte array, of 5. So what is meant by the byte array? So byte array is a method returns a byte array object which is an array of the given bytes. That's it. Okay, here we have 5, so it means 0 to 4 is the byte array result. Okay, and the next one is memory view. This is the final one also, memory view. So bytes of 5. So what is meant by the memory view? Memory view object allows Python code to access the internal data of an object that supports the buffer protocol without copying. So I think you understood that memory object allows Python code to access the internal data of an object that supports the buffer protocol without copying. So this is called as a memory view. See, I have to print everything after the each data type declaration. I have to paste the print statement after the declaration of each data type. See, now we have to run this program. See, hello viewers class string. This is the first line, and the second one is class int 20. See, 20 x equals to 20. This is also a int type. So 20.5 is a float type. 1j is a complex type. See, 1j is a complex type. So this is a list. So this is not set. This is a tuple. Sorry, this is a tuple. Okay. So this is a tuple type. You already have a doubt what is meant by tuple. Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable, and tuple is a ordered and unchangeable list. Tuple is simply we can say it as a ordered and unchangeable list. Is called as a tuple. Okay. So this is a range data type. See, this is a range data type, and this is dictionary data type. See, dictionary data type, and this is a frozen set. See, frozen set, and this is boolean type. See the output, boolean type, true, and this is a byte type. Okay, and this is a byte array. See the output /x00/x00. Here slash is a escaping sequence. Okay, that's 0000000000. See the variable explorer, we have a one thing, memory view, 1 equals to memory view object, because In every declaration the x is reassigned to the new data types. Okay, that's why only the last data type x memory view data type only be stored in variable explorer. Okay, so I hope you understand the Python data types. Okay, thank you.